Let's go to the tower. You may move over now. I get to drive, okay?
Things are looking very promising so far. We have an escort to the tower. Judy's taking us right there. See, I would have missed this right turn altogether. Well, I guess I wouldn't, because it's the alien telling me which way to go. And running over the owner's dogs is never a good idea. Good luck, Armin. I'm sure he's real friendly. Just get out. Just let him smell your hand. No, you'll be all right.
Okay. Get over here. This is our little gift shop. And alien.
There is a definite alien theme.
Yeah, there is. Well, you got to have something to lighten everything up. If you didn't, again, I said all of this is just too serious.
Right.
So you got to have some giggles in it. Some of the things that I know, there's something strange going on out there, and I think some of the things that we see, I think some of it's military, you know. It's behind you. You touched him, he fell over. In November, Popular Mechanics came out with this. And I think a lot of the things that we've seen from here, it wouldn't surprise me at all if they weren't military. But I don't think all of them are.
So you think if they were military, they would buzz you just to
just to be buzzing.
Just to have fun. Watch yourself there. Well, you actually really...
You can see a lot.
You can see a lot more.
Yeah.
Those are birds, right?
Yeah, those are geese.
All right.
So this is the mountain that people think?
Yeah, Mount Blanca. Yeah. And they say that the ETs live in that mountain. And I say if they live there, why don't they live in the entire mountain range?
So, of all the places you could be landing, why don't, 600 acres, why not just set down right out here? That would make us all very happy, tonight especially.
Okay.
Okay.
That was a lot easier. What was that?
Well, it's pretty fun, and it's pretty addictive.
Yeah, no doubt.
Once you see one, you want to see more and more and more. There it goes.
Yep.
Did it just move? It
Yeah.
did,
There
didn't
it goes.
it?
To the left.
Down.
There it goes again.
Now it's going to the right.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, so you think of the trick of the eye, but if we all saw it move at the same time?
It's not the trick of the eye.
Cloud
It's
cover.
going down diagonally a little bit. Now it's going left.
Yeah, it's going left.
Now it went right, now back. Is it going back and forth?
Now it's going right.
I'm seeing
And up.
It's bizarre.
Okay, I'm seeing that. I am.
Well, it has moved totally away from where it was.
Yeah.
I guess I still don't know which one we're looking at.
Okay.
My mom said when she was really young, she always had weird experiences. And that's why probably I have them. And it was so windy, it was March. And all of a sudden I heard this, like the front door open and slam real hard. And as I tried to get up, something pushed me down. And I saw its claw, that's all I can explain it as, this reptile-looking claw with nails, really long nails that curled, and it was like black nails. It was scaly, and pushed me on the bed. And when it pushed me on the bed, my water bed started to like bubble like it was boiling water. I don't know how to explain it. I was frozen. I didn't know what to do. I didn't see its face because I was kind of turned this way, but it started to get into bed with me. And it had this nail sticking out, and it was going like this to the side of my face and going down my body.
Wow, I've never heard a story, reptilian story.
Yeah.
I kind of wish I never would have.
Yes, we're camping here tonight.